Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPhone 14 has the latest iOS, so eSIM features work. This avoids provisioning errors. Next, retrieve the carrier eSIM QR or activation details and keep your physical SIM ready if you're using one. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled because activation often requires network access. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular to start adding a plan. This is the first actionable step toward configuring 2 lines on one phone. You add the second line by choosing Add Cellular Plan and scanning the carrier QR code or entering details manually. This is where carriers provision an eSIM on your device. Once the plan appears, label each line clearly: primary for personal, secondary for work, so your iPhone selects the right number automatically. Then configure default voice and cellular data preferences and enable iMessage/FaceTime for your chosen line. This ensures calls and messages use the proper identity and avoids billing surprises. You finish by testing both lines. Place a call, send a text, and use cellular data on each plan, switching lines via Control Center if needed. If activation fails, restart the iPhone and rescan the QR code. Make sure the carrier activated the eSIM server side because many issues stem from carrier provisioning. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode and, as a last resort, reset network settings. This clears misconfigured network data, but requires re-entering Wi-Fi passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.